This could be the car for you. The 2023 Honda CR-V. Take a closer look at this stylish and up-for-anything CR-V. Its innovative design, premium feel, all-weather capability, and advanced safety and connectivity technology sets the standard for small SUVs and crossovers. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, dual zone AC, heated front seat, power driver seat. What are you waiting for? Take the wheel of this sophisticated and powerful Honda CR-V and let the adventures begin.